Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we'll learn about TikTok application and I will let to guide you step by step how you can create a TikTok video. So if you are a beginner in using TikTok, basically this application is work for a short video to give you or to entertain you or share the information. So if you want to create your own video, that is so simple. It's just like the way how you use Instagram. So you just need to take a look on this bottom feature, that will be like plus button here. Just go tap it because that will like simply bring you into the TikTok camera. So this is the area you can create the TikTok video. So there will be like an option. There will be three options over here. So the first one will be photo. So you can take a picture to use as your content that you post into your TikTok. There will be also a text, so you can just type some informations, text only with no photo, with no video on it. And the next is the video. They will be like provide to you some duration that you can use. There will be like 15 seconds, 60 seconds, and 10 minutes. You just need to pick one of them to create the video. So after you're picking it, you know that the button is already changed. There will be right color there. So you're ready to take some video of it. You can just do like cut to cut video. You can just do some voiceover into the video. You can also have these effects. So you just need to find what type of effects that you have. You can make yourself look prettier with all of effects that provide by the CapCut or TikTok. And now you just need to start recording. If you want to do this cut to cut, just do this instead. Go record it. And then pause it. And now you can just find another angle and then just start to record it again. Pause again. Go find another. Record again. Pause again. And after you're done, you just need to click this checklist button and here is the result. You can also add some sound. So by adding the sound, you can like make your video much more engaging and interesting. So the TikTok also provides you with a lot of sounds. So you just need to explore it. Or if you want to do some voiceover, you also capable to do it. Just need to double tap it and go click voice and go click record. Hold it and speak. Hold the way to make a TikTok video. And right after that, go click done. Hold the way to whenever you are satisfied, go click the save. Hold the way and go click next. You can also add some caption on it, hashtag, mention, or some other options here. And right after that, make sure that you already set to everyone so that the public can access your video. Right after that, go click post. And you're done. So that is the way, guys, how you can like create the TikTok video step by step. Hopefully you enjoy. If you still have much more questions, just drop into the comment below and let's meet again into other tutorial.